these things normally what they needed to do utaraboka nawe genkomente gya gatatu nawe ngekikyo gotebanga ngochorega igokore housing ngochenje umugondo kwanyori ko orororo nganko bikole chinyomba chyokonyo. This is what they needed to do. Public participation. Abantu ba Nyanturago ngakibagoteba inje nangulu Nyanturago na together with n'abajumbe bororo igo bagoteba mbaraboligwa nande. There is nothing like that can happen. Mbatageti chera kuchyo ubwatetabu mbatageti eubiko irwa likali mbatageti mangana housing aso mugondo babegete bawo chikwagachira chi project ariko banenya gitari yasaba yagaje umugondo uyu muntu tago complain but you say suchi nyumba chokoni okolera umugondo bumunyali bali gokole byasara is the same with the prison ali ase kurusiwa irwa se umunyali bali ali Nyanturago ali ase kwanyirusia esha yo umunyali bali uyu umuntu yo ibeno ngakiego chikoli frete ochio. If you ask them they will not accept because turaba boli ali ase kwanyirusia koni ole ngokolora housing yo benefit kiego chigwenda so umuntu ibeno. So what they needed to do is socio impact assessment. Ninki we impact kiego chikoboro rasi kwanyira ali ase kwarusi benefit kiaba na wago cha kukoraki cumulative bawo cha konyora. Thank you.
Okay, igoma gendoro tayanda sira chikolenta se abanyanturago
asibana ntrogo kendenkeyo. Tell me one thing, what we could have benefited if they engage the people and in a way bago changing omugondo lyonyo onyo bawo chigotumyo Nyanturago abantu bari konyora bari genda kuri ali semwarusiye cyari mwaga nyomba mwaonia norwatetawo. So until that is rectified and abantu mbali engaged, then it cannot go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.